Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to connect your Xiaomi Smart Kettle 2 Pro to Xiaomi Home app. As you can see, my kettle is right here. It's plugged into power. It's in standby currently, which means it's not boiling or warming up the water. And I have my phone right in front of me. On App Store on iPhones, you can download a Xiaomi Home, and in Play Store on Android phones, you can also download it. In some regions, instead of Xiaomi Home, it will be named Mi Home. But it should have the same logo. On Xiaomi phones, it often comes pre-installed. Now, I already have it installed, so I can open it. And now I will need to agree to the software license agreement. I can allow notifications if I want. I can also allow critical alerts. And now it'll ask me to sign in. If you don't have an account, you can create it. If you've forgotten your password, you can click on Forgot Password. You can also sign in with phone number or select the Google, Apple, or Facebook sign-in. I'm signing in with Google, so I can just click on Continue. Now, let's allow finding Bluetooth devices nearby. Let's also allow accessing the home data and the local networks. Now, click on try now, and then you can also join the user experience program if you would like. Then click on plus in the top right corner to add your device. For some reason it's not clicking. I remember sometimes it happens. Now we can click on add device, and as you can see, it doesn't see it nearby currently. So what I'll do, you can scan a QR code if you can locate it on your device. But what I'll do is I'll just try searching for it in Kitchen Electronics. There's going to be an electric kettle. Then let's select Xiaomi Smart Kettle 2 Pro. Now I'll need to reset the device by pressing and holding on both buttons while in standby. Once it beeps, it's reset. You can now click on Device Reset. Allow location so it can locate the device. Let's agree. Now you can see you need to select a Wi-Fi network your device will connect to. And what is important here is that your network has to be 2.4 gigahertz, which means if you have just one network, it will work. But if you have two networks of a similar name and one of them has 5G or 5 gigahertz at the end of the name, that network won't work. So you'll need to select a network that doesn't have 5G or 5 gigahertz at the end. You can see even if I click on select, it will get me to the settings app, and then I can go to Wi-Fi. And as you can see, I'm connected to a network that doesn't say anything, but there's a network that I have, which is 2.4, and it will work. Sometimes it doesn't say 2.4, but I also have a different network of this name with 5G at the end, and that one won't work. Now, then you'll need to enter the password so it can be sent to the robot. Agree to the user agreement and privacy policy and click on next. Now you can see it has found my device automatically. I didn't need to click on it even. Now it's connecting the device to the network. Now select where is it. I'll create a new room, of course, kitchen. So I'll put it in kitchen. So it's later categorized if you have multiple devices in the Xiaomi Home app. You can rename it if you'd like. I'll leave it like that. Click on next. Now you can share it with your family members. So it displays in their app as well. I'll click on don't share for now. And I'll click on don't prompt. I can do it myself later. There's also a video about that. Let's click on agree on the user agreement, and now as you can see it's connected. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.